How to create this effect in Photoshop? To create this effect, first add a white background. Then go to the ellipse tool and create the shape. Choose the color you want. Now go back to the move tool. Next, select the pen tool and draw the design that you want to add. Just like this. Perfect. Now we'll add another design using the pen tool. Make a selection of that one as well. After that, select the Move tool. Then go to the Ellipse Marquee tool and add a new layer. Choose the Paint Bucket tool. Select the orange color and fill it inside that area perfectly. Now you can move that and show your friends that effect. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.